Yes, sir.
All right, we're making ceviche. Delicious ceviche.
Pinche ceviche.
Pinche ceviche.
Yeah, you want to cube them up.
And drinking a Michelada Fresca.
Yeah.
Michelada Fresca.
Yeah.
So what kind of fish is this? Is this like a cod? Or
This is actually, we're going to do it through with tilapia because they didn't have cod over there. So next best thing, you want to just get like a non-fishy type fish,
Yeah.
So
absolutely.
the next best thing would be tilapia. Tilapia's good. You could do catfish, but it's all to your liking. I like tilapia. Tilapia's good. Yeah. So cut it up nice. The great thing about it, you're going to have to do about an hour of soaking in lemon first.
Oh, okay.
Lemon or lime. Lemon or lime.
Well, that was yours. Sorry, man.
No, you're good. Yeah, I put more beer in mine. That's manly. Say it with your chest.
Yeah, I'll change it, dude.
There we go. Cheers. So cube it up, man, as much as possible. Because you want all of it to soak in lemon. You can do. People ask questions like, does it have to be lime? It doesn't have to be lime.
Oh, okay. So something really kind of
Citrusy. Correct. Yes. The main thing is it's just going to.
All right, guys. Ooh. That's gonna be fire, dude.
Yeah.
Some good slabs, dude. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Some filetes. Some fillets.
Jeez, dude.
Yeah. Nice and pink, how I like it. The fish.
Yeah. Yeah. That's delicious.
The fish, that is.
The fish.
Say it with your chest. It's good though.
Munch on that tilapia.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hard.
That's good, man. So it's like tilapia, lemon juice, and for like an hour you let that soak for?
You let that sucker soak. Yes. You want to make sure it's cooked, but don't cook it no longer than an hour, because what happens is it starts getting rubbery. So you don't want your fish to be rubbery. Yeah. So you just especially like same thing for shrimp. Same goes for shrimp. Cut it for an hour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's like you can do like really anything you want. You can do the fish, shrimp. You can do a combination of both, or just really whatever you like. Not something that's not too like fishy smell.
Correct. Yeah. I mean, this one smells a little fishy, but it's not, the taste of tilapia is not fishy at all.
Yeah. I had some yellowtail. I'm like, I don't know if that would be a little too fishy.
I mean, yellowtail's good too. I mean, it just depends on how you like your ceviche.
Yeah, absolutely.
I can make it with tuna. It's just So it just depends, man.
Keep it up. Chop going.
Give it up. And slap that sun gun in there. Tastes nice. Yep. It's fresh fillets.
All right, guys. So we'll put all that in there, and then we'll put the lemon, and we'll go to the next step here shortly.
Yes, sir.
All right, and then the next step, we're gonna go ahead and get a lot of those lemons here, and then we're gonna juice them in here in the strainer, and then fill that bowl up full of lemon juice. So that's what we're doing. Oh, okay. So this is going to be what it looks like here. We just want to make sure it's soaking in the limon. Yeah, absolutely. Simone limon. So we're going to put this here for 1 hour in the fridge. See you in a bit.
Yeah. Some Funyun onions.
All right, now we're going to the second stage of the ceviche.
Chopping up them veggies.
Chopping up the veggies.
Vegetables.
The vegetables. And these are onions.
Yeah, these are like green onions,
Like the big bulbs.
Big
balls on them.
Onions. Yeah, no. That's the light balls. The great balls of fire.
Yeah. So he's chopping that up, and then that'll be going inside the bowl here when it's ready.
Yeah.
All right, next we're going to cut up a little bit of cilantro for the ceviche.
Next, it's the Luigi board.
It's the Luigi board. I love it. Yeah. That's fresh stuff, man.
Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Making a little bit of mess there.
Love fresh cilantro. It's good stuff.
Yeah.
Right, we got to chop that up, dice it up pretty good.
Chop it up.
Chop it up. All right. The next stage, you're gonna want to chop up some tomato.
Some tomates.
Tomate. And ooh, that's looking good, man. Fresh. Look at freshness. Delicious.
Delicioso. A little bit more just for the taste, you know.
All right. And then we put it all in the bowl together.
Yeah.
A little bit of lime juice.
Yep,
A little bit more for the taste. Oh my gosh, that looks freaking amazing.
Yeah.
Dude.
So we're gonna.
Jeez.
Now we just mix it up a little bit to see how the fish cooked.
Yeah.
So
that's 1 hour in the refrigerator, letting
Yep.
that citrus cook that
Yep.
cook that fish up.
put a little bit more lime juice just so that we can get some, you know.
It's so good it makes you want to smack your mama.
Yeah. Ooh, that good.
Ooh,
that good.
Ooh, that good.
Mama.
Mama.
Bam. We put some salt. We put about like 2.5 tablespoons of salt for this bigger thing, and then and about like 1 tablespoon of pepper.
Oh, okay.
So there's mixing it. We're gonna put some more lemon just because we want some more juice. Make it a little more juicy for you.
The juice is loose.
Yeah. I get loose with the juice, you know.
The juice.
Yeah.
Squeeze the juice.
Squeeze the juice. Squeeze the juice.
You know this, right?
Yeah.
It's man.
Yeah.
Squeeze the juice.
We're going to the mountain.
Gotta get some juice. A little bit of flavor, oregano, some
Alright.
salt, pepper.
A little bit of oregano in there. For
Try
my
that. Try a
flavor.
little piece of that. See.
Oh my gosh!
See what we get there.
Look at that!
Woo, that's that good. Yep, it's not rubbery or anything.
Wow!
An hour is perfect.
Good guys. Delicioso!
Yeah, boy.